The 2024 Kia Seltos is a head-turner. Its design is both modern and timeless, with sleek lines and a bold presence. The redesigned front grille is more prominent, flanked by updated LED headlights for a sharper, more focused look. The lower fascia features a wider air intake and redesigned fog lamp housings, emphasizing the Seltos' athletic stance. Along the sides, the Seltos retains its signature dynamic profile with sharp character lines and muscular wheel arches. Newly designed alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 18 inches, further enhance the Seltos' athletic appeal. The rear of the vehicle echoes the front's modern design language. Updated LED taillights feature a distinctive lighting signature that stretches across the tailgate, creating a sense of width and sophistication. A redesigned rear bumper with integrated reflectors and a sporty diffuser completes the Seltos' bold new look. The Seltos is available in a range of colors to match your personality. Choose from classic shades like Snow White Pearl and Aurora Black Pearl, or opt for something more vibrant like Pluton Blue or Fusion Orange. The 2024 Kia Seltos is sure to turn heads wherever you go. It's a statement of your style and confidence.